Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to us. We're here in Icmeler. It's our actual last day, I think, in Icmeler. So, working hard today, getting all the videos done for you guys. We go over to Marmaris tomorrow. We haven't actually put any videos out whilst we've been here. We've actually been having a holiday, if I'm honest. Which has been quite nice. Nice little pastry shop here, little cakes. But yeah, we've just been having a holiday. It's been actually quite nice. Just chilled out. Lounging around the pool. Yeah. £5 for your sandals. 2 for 15, not too bad. I have to get a lot of English customers because I put all the English pound signs. Look at that. £10 for a shirt. Not too bad at all. See all the looky men selling them in Spain and stuff for a lot more expensive. But yeah, it's a good price, £10. I might have to pick a couple up myself. I do want the Juventus Bob Marley top. That's what I'm actually looking for. Let me know in the comments if you've got one. Don't support Juventus, but just like the Bob Marley one, it's quite cool. Look at this, Best Buy's bargains. But is it a bargain if they're all the same price? So yeah, lovely day again. As every day in Turkey is in the summer. Beautiful, sunny and hot. It's got Migros over there, so a shopping supermarket. Sells everything. Sort of getting my bearings now. So yeah. Well, I think I am anyway. Shall we go up there to have a look? Come on, let's go up that way, because I'm only going to come back this way in a minute. Let's get ourselves up this road. See a nice jewellery shop there. Plenty of jewelleries out there, jewellery shops. Let me know in the comments if you've ever bought any jewellery out in Turkey. And what was it like? Did you get a bargain? It's something I need to buy at some point. Got a nice travel shop here. So yeah, there's a supermarket over there. Let me know what's your favourite as well. What's your favourite place to stay? Is it Marmaris or Icmeler? For me, Icmeler's alright. I don't mind it. Prefer the beach at Icmeler. Got a massive beach, which in Marmaris it's a very long beach, but it's a bit small. You've got all the sunbeds out. It's this old Dallas bar. Quite a cool bar. Displaying their British flag with pride. See, people out there. They fly their Turkish flags, they fly their British flags. They fly everyone's flag. They're inclusive people. Let me know in the comments if you've got your flags out. Also, let us know where you're from. Where are you from? There's someone in a tent over there. Must be roasting. Imagine staying in that. But yeah, I think I'm going to go up to this little bar up here, have a little look. 3 bells over there. Aston Villa boy over there. But yeah. I do like Marmaris for the nights out though. Marmaris is quite cool on the nights out. Got a bit more stuff to do till about 4 or 5 a.m. Found last night, well, I was actually quite drunk, so it's probably best that we went home. But yeah, it was only about 1:30 we got home. If I was out till 4 or 5, damn, I would have been trashed. We had too much recce last night. Too much. What you got here? Not too bad price, not too bad. You want beauty there, get your hair braided. It's just on Kaira. Very nice. Plenty of bags, t-shirts. Hello. Okay, supermarket as well. Oh, look at them melons. Them two melons. There's 3 different types of melons. Nice. I do have to get some fruit when I'm out there. They've got plenty of fruit actually in the hotel. But every time I go abroad, I always try the fruit. And the strawberries here, wow, they were absolutely gorgeous. It's the best strawberry I've ever tasted in my life. And then when I was in Barcelona, got a nice apple. And that was banging. My daughter went out to Barcelona. I told her to do the same thing, go to the shop, buy loads of fruit. Tell me that that's not the best fruit you ever tasted. And she totally agreed with me. So yeah. Let's have a look where we're at. So again, make sure you subscribe, guys. 90% of you guys are not subscribed to our channel. But you do watch all our videos, which is quite good anyway. Thanks for watching. Yeah. Let's keep going. So these cash machines over here, I don't know which one you have to choose, which one does the best deals, but it is best to change your money when you get out here. So bring cash or use the cash machines. But you've got 3 of them, 4 of them right there. Again, like I said, I don't know which one does the best deal. But yeah. Never ever buy the Turkish lira in the UK. You will get ripped off. Okay, look, there's the Grand Bazaar right there. I do need to go down into it, so that'll be on the next video. Yeah, that's the one I went past on the old video, yeah. I think we filmed this side though. Thank you. So yeah, nice little trinkets. You trainers. Hey Sabrina, I just want to get some trainers actually. So we'll be filming that. I think we might have to get it in Marmaris though. We'll see. To another restaurant. Alright. Oh, there's Sabrina across the road. She caught me out. She hasn't even got her camera out. What's she doing, eh?
Hello, my friends.
Hello, how are you?
Feature my shop, Shoe Heaven.
Sure, no problem. Let's have a little look for him. 12. Oh, that's not bad. Hmm? Famous? No. Alright, they got some really nice trainers in there. Very nice. All the Adidas. Yeah. These Nikes. Look at these. Quite soft inside, nice. Quality's good. Look at these. I actually saw a video where someone tried to pass these off as real. Look, there's Sabrina. Yee. Alright, let's keep going. So we're going to go into the Grand Bazaar.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
My name is Max from Içmeler, Shoe Heaven by Max. You come in, new customers, 20% discounts.
There we go.
New season, new collection.
Thank you. So you go, 20% off. Make sure you come here. Shoe Heaven, Icmeler. Well, guys, thanks for watching. If you could subscribe, like and share, comment, all the good stuff. Share to your family. Love coming to Icmeler. And I'll catch you on the next one.